Okay, we gotta go to
She wants to see
BMW.
the purple. They all have decently sized screens.
All right, don't forget to ask people do that what they like to buy Girl Scout cookies. Oh, this come with 24s or 22s.
24.
See, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. They coming out the door with 24s. So if they putting 24s on them, that tell you right there that you can slap some 28s or 30s on these boys.
Like this one only has.
This one ain't nothing but a 20, 22.
These are some
Right
nice
here.
rims, though. These are some real nice rims.
Yeah,
I would buy them.
yeah. This is nice. What is this?
The center is a nice big screen.
This is the Denali.
Yeah.
I mean, they got the big old, like, touch screen tablet.
How much did you get one for?
Probably a lot. Oh, they got a phone. This, this the electric. This is the future. I can believe it. The Dora Max.
Oh, I can't wait to get in here.
I like this.
Ooh. Yeah. Dora Max Diesel. Killing it.
Especially if they like wrap
Yeah, this is nice.
It's not as big of a screen, but it's still got a nice.
It's still a
decent
nice screen. Special
center.
offer.
Dura Max Turbo Diesel.
Where it starting at? Base MSRP. And the MSRP with MSRP?
780 for this one.
Yeah.
But the standard was 56.
Right.